We are Danny,
Melissa,
Emma, Jake,
and we are Four Simple Lives.
we are headed to our next destination, new country for the kids, not new country for Danny and I, but we are going to Paris! Yes, Paris. I think the kids have been the most excited about Paris. So we are driving right now to take the rental car back to Heathrow, and then we're very excited because we're going on the Chunnel. Danny and I did this when we went to Paris a long time ago. I think it's going to be a fun time for the kids. I think they're going to really enjoy going underwater. Yeah, so it's going to be a lot of fun. We made it to Paris! Yay! Okay, still in the train station, but we're going to go get a taxi and then head to our hotel. But we made it to Paris! Woohoo!
So we are currently walking down Rue de Claire on our way to the Eiffel Tower. We are going to get some cheese and meats and bread and have a picnic outside of the Eiffel Tower. And we're also going to get a little schoolwork knocked out with a great view. Kids are excited for their first view of the Tour d'Eiffel. This is our first look at the Eiffel Tower.
Epic lunch picnic at the Eiffel Tower, and beautiful. Yeah, it was really fun. Kids got to catch up on a little bit of school, and now we are on the cruise on the River Seine. How much was it?
The Bateau Parisien. It was $56 US, I think, for all four of us.
Yeah, not bad.
So it's an hour cruise, leaves every 30 minutes from 10 to 10.
Literally, like steps from the foot of the Eiffel Tower.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're on the cruise right now. Kids are loving it. It's a beautiful day out. The cruise really isn't that crowded just because it does leave every half hour. So it is really nice to kind of spread out a little bit from the crowds because there's definitely a lot of people.
Too many people.
So one thing, so we were here a number of years ago, 16-ish years ago, and there was definitely not as many people walking around selling stuff. It's definitely blocked off, like you have to pay to get into the bottom of the Eiffel Tower now, or the foot of it, and walk around. So that was
they built a wall around the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
You can't walk underneath it, you can't get good pictures. You have to buy a ticket to go into the Eiffel Tower in order to get into the property of the Eiffel Tower.
The first shelter was
large aircraft center of the culture to protect barriers from invasion. In the 20th century, to become a language center.
Right in front of the Eiffel Tower.
All right,
Paris
guys.
day 2.
So we are at the Musée du Louvre.
The Louvre.
The Louvre, yeah, this thing. We took the subway, metro from
Yep.
our hotel. We went to Emily in Paris.
Yes.
See that ridiculous building?
It was very pretty though.
Then what did we do? Is this our next stop?
Yeah, this
Oh.
is our next stop after that.
Then we're here. Kids are
Um,
excited. They got to see the Louvre
Yep.
and the triangle,
Yep.
pyramid, what have you.
We're
Very
not
busy.
going in the Louvre. We're not art people.
Yeah, $100 to see a Mona
And,
Lisa. It's not
we
on
did
my
go
list.
in when we were here the last time.
We did, but we were with Mom and she paid, so that's why we went.
Yeah, another thing is
Not
you
this
can't get close to it. While obviously it's an amazing piece of art and history, you can't get close to it. It's very tiny. There's a lot of people. It's just not something that we're gonna do this time. Yes, we did the metro today. We paid €27 for 2 adults and then €13 for the kids. We just did a day pass just because we are traveling quite a bit today around the city and we thought the metro would be the easiest way.
3 zones,
Yeah, we did 3 zones.
€40 total for 4 of us, so not bad.
Yeah, not too
We
bad.
were on a hunt for lunch. We saw this place and it's like €12 for French fries, so not gonna happen.
Yeah, don't eat at the most iconic places in the world.
Right.
Because it's gonna be expensive.
Price is ridiculous.
And the food is probably not that great.
Nope. So now we're gonna walk back over to the metro because we're gonna make our way over to the Arc de Triomphe. We got a tour at 2:50 to go up in it, and we're gonna find some lunch off the beaten path.
Yeah.
Come with us.
Bonjour.
All right.
Bonjour.
We're here at our next stop. It's the Arc de Triomphe, which is, as Danny was just telling the kids, is the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier for France. So we are waiting in lines. We're gonna actually walk up this time.
Yep, up them stairs.
Up them
Looking forward to
stairs.
it.
While we were here, a little bit of drama happened. We looked up at the Arc de Triomphe and someone was on the wrong side of the fence trying to take a picture. So that was
What do you
almost
think?
a little terrifying to watch. But he's okay, I think. So here we are, waiting in line, ready to go up.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's like so high.
Where's the lift?
There is no lift.
Dude, this is so hard. I don't think Dad's gonna make it. Dad, are you gonna make it?
I'm gonna make it.
Well, at least I don't think I'm gonna make it. Hey, look at this. Dad,
Look, it's a recreation.
we're probably about there. Right there, people. Right there. And we need to go all the way up there.
So the cool thing about the Arc de Triomphe is there's, what, 12 roads you said?
Yeah.
12 roads that intersect and you're literally in like a giant roundabout right now. So there's just a ton of cars circling and it's pretty cool.
Wow.
And they're all taking pictures while we're up here, like the cans.
What do you guys think?
He's
So we live over there, right? Because we walk
Yep,
towards that
our
building.
hotel is that way. Now it's time to head back down. You guys ready?
Nope.
Is going down easier or harder?
It might be easier.
You think it's gonna be easier?
Yeah.
We'll find out.
This French version of the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier.
So we are ending our day at the Statue of Liberty of Paris.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Any National Treasure 2 fans, this is what is in National Treasure.
On it.
See if we can get a clue to where the lost city is.
You guys have a drone?
Yeah, we need a drone.
Oh, see Utah Beach up there? Utah Beach and Omaha. That's the two that the Americans landed on.
So we just got off the train. We are in Bayou and we're gonna go see Normandy tomorrow. We're gonna do a tour that we booked through Get Your Guide. We're gonna be doing a tour of Normandy. What stops are we making, hun?
We're doing the half-day, 4-hour tour. We're going to Pointe du Hoc, which is the highest point the Germans used when the Americans and the British and the Canadians and the French were taking the beach. Then we're going to Omaha Beach, which was the beach, the fight that had the most casualties. Most Americans lost at Omaha Beach. And then we're going to the Normandy American Cemetery. So
Yes.
we get to see where the, I don't know exactly how many are buried, but 2,501 Americans died on D-Day. I don't know if there's others that are buried there from the battle in France as well, but there's at least 2,500 Americans buried there.
This is gonna be a nice little tour, nice little day. We're staying overnight here and then we're going back to Paris tomorrow. But it's gonna be a nice tour and then it's good for the kids to see, and we haven't seen it, so we're really excited. And we are getting ready for our tour because we're gonna go see what, guys?
The Omaha Beach.
Yep, and all the other beaches and points for D-Day. So we're just waiting for our guide. The kids are running out some energy in this little park. Got some coffee, got some muffins, got a croissant.
Got a great view of a giant tower that I don't know the name of.
Yep,
What he said.
what he said. So yeah, we're excited for our tour. We're gonna have a fun day. It's the English Channel.
We're going inside a bunker at Pointe du Hoc.
Watch out this day.
Step here. Mom, are you telling us? Nope.
What's it for?
Look out.
They shoot out of it? Wow.
You literally just sit on here.
Oh yeah.
So the very first invasion by the French.
We're going to an observation tower, which is built over one of the buildings that housed one of the 6 guns that they put at Pointe du Hoc. This is one of the craters created by the Americans bombing.
So that place is one else before. That'll be that first, huh? No, recently. No, not since. So you can imagine that the German soldier was there. He had, I don't know the name of the machine that was able to calculate how far was the ships and giving the information to his men over there. So they were able to adjust. Try to come back, couldn't make it, because it's quite far. Pointe du Hoc is this. 2 years ago, half of it collapsed. It was twice bigger than this.